Muralidharan ji is not with us, but we will be hearing a message recorded by him. Premchand Bujhawan, who's heading the Human Trust in Mauritius, which is our counterpart organization. I want to welcome also our Secretary General, Shyam Parande, senior members of the Antarashtriya Sahyog Parishad, our friends from Mauritius, ladies and gentlemen. Sir AJ was held in very high esteem and loved by all our members. Many of our members, in fact, share fond memories of very close and personal association. And I should add that Sir AJ also had particular fondness, and that gives us a sense of pride, fondness for ARSP. And he participated in many of our activities, always very willingly participated in our activities. The building that we have on the Rouse Avenue, that was indeed, in fact, inaugurated by him. So it will always serve as a reminder to us of our very close and fond association with Sir AJ. I don't want to take too long, just want to briefly refer to two aspects. One is that he was a towering leader of Mauritius, and who was passionately committed to close India-Mauritius relations, friendship and cordiality. India and Mauritius, as you know, share very close bonds in so many different areas. The presence of large diaspora, which contributes to a very cordial people-to-people relations, very extensive contacts. There are business connections, there are cultural connections, and there are very strong political ties. What we have in the large measure, if we describe our relationship, I think it owes a very great deal to leaders like Sir Anirudh Jagannath. And it took a lot of tireless effort and farsightedness on his part to see the kind of close relationship that exists between our two countries. So I want to thank Sir AJ for that. I also want to reflect on him, his personality as a towering personality in the Indian diaspora world. So in that sense, his significance to us goes beyond Mauritius. We have about 31 million people of Indian origin, what we call Indian diaspora, is spread all over the world. Many, as in Mauritius, went as indentured labor. And then, of course, there are recent immigrants who went out as professionals in countries like America. By and large, the foray of the Indian diaspora, people of Indian origin, in the politics is of relatively recent phenomenon. I think historically, people of Indian origin were quite content in living their life, doing their jobs. At best, they would concentrate on making money, doing good business and agriculture, giving education to their children. They were always very concerned about the future generation. I think today's generation has so much to be indebted to our forefathers. And inculcating family values. I've seen it in Trinidad. So it is the emergence of leaders like Sir AJ and Basdev Pandey in Trinidad and many other places that they gave an aspiration to the Indian community. Their personality was inspirational. And they began to sensitize people of Indian origin that they have a rightful claim. Because after all, if you are wedded to democratic principles, then if you have numbers on your side and you have large numbers, then you must also play the legitimate role in politics. So I look upon our diaspora leading personalities like Sir AJ as truly inspirational. And he empowered the diaspora community, not only in Mauritius, but the world over. And it's a tribute to leaders like him that we see members of our diaspora today very actively participating in the politics in their respective countries. We have prime ministers and presidents in diverse countries. Even in America, we have for the first time the vice president of Indian origin. And I think it's a real tribute to the effort made by leading diaspora personalities like Sir AJ, that the Indian community today has taken direct charge of their own destinies and development. So with these few words, I'd like to pay on my own personal behalf our fondest, deepest tribute on behalf of the ARSP, our deepest remembrance for the departed soul. Mukesh, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. So now we will play a small tributary video which we have prepared on the life of Sir Anirudh Jagannath.
Chetan, play the volume.
Okay, ji, volume.
वो चेतन जी को बोलना एक बार ठीक से चलाओ क्या ना। हाँ जी।
Later, he also served 2 terms in the ceremonial role of president. Later, he also served 2 terms in the ceremonial role of president. Anirudh struggled to evict the British from the Chagas archipelago in 1999. Was not the first time he had stood against British colonialism. In 1965, Jugnauth participated in a historic conference in London that paved the way for the adoption of a constitution in Mauritius and independence some 3 years later. 1965. Jugnauth participated in a during his term as Prime Minister. Jugnauth received several Indian heads of state which strengthened the India-Mauritius relationship. In 1965, Jugnauth participated in a during his term as Prime Minister. Jugnauth received several Indian heads of state which strengthened the India-Mauritius relationship. In 1965, Jugnauth participated in a during his term as Prime Minister. Brought as indentured laborers, Indians made a spectacular economic success of their adopted land. A true patriot, Jugnauth exemplified this contribution to Mauritius. He was known as the father of the Mauritian economic miracle. A true patriot. In his leadership, Mauritius transformed from a sleepy agricultural country with large-scale unemployment into Africa's richest economy, with a robust tourism industry and a financial hub that stood as a gateway to Asia and Africa. With large-scale unemployment into Africa's richest economy, he was honored with Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award for his continued support for strengthening India's relationship with Mauritius. In 2020, Sir Anirudh Jugnauth has been known for innovation in the field of public affairs. A tall leader and statesman, the architect of modern Mauritius, a life to see. A tall leader and statesman, architect of modern Mauritius, a life.
I think there was some echo problem. Somebody is using two instruments. Anyhow, please bear with us. We'll play the video again at the end of the program. So I would like to invite now Honorable Alan Gannu, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, Mauritius. Tall Mauritian politician, he served as a member of Legislative Assembly and National Assembly on 9 occasions. Alan Gannu has held the office of Minister in Ministry of Justice and Attorney General, Minister of Housing, Minister of Public Utilities, Acting Minister of Fisheries, Minister of Land Transport and Light Rail. Another parliamentary position that he had was Speaker's Opposition Whip, Deputy Chief Whip, and Leader of Opposition. So I invite Honorable Alan Gannu ji. Alan ji.
Thank you, sir. His Excellency, Ambassador Vivendra Gupta, President of Antar-Rashtriya Sahyog Parishad, Honorable Deputy Ministers, Your Excellencies, Secretary General Mr. Shyam Parende, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and namaskar to all of you. It is with deep sorrow that we are attending this virtual Shraddhanjali Sabha being held in memory of our beloved Sir Anirudh Jugnauth, former President and Prime Minister of Mauritius, who passed away on the 3rd June of this year. I would like to commend the Antar-Rashtriya Sahyog Parishad for organizing such a touching ceremony. Sir Anirudh Jugnauth's association with the Parishad goes a long way back. And I particularly recall of the organization in New Delhi. Sir Anirudh Jugnauth was a towering leader and an outstanding statesman who had shaped the political, social, and economical landscape of modern Mauritius. We have all benefited from his leadership, from dire times into better times. I had the immense of knowing him, sharing his experience, and inspiring myself from his work ethics for more than 40 years. And I am proud to have been associated with this political giant, one of the most illustrious sons and political minds of this country. Indeed, we both hail from the same legal and political background. I first met Sir Anirudh Jagannath in the mid-70s.
There is no sound.
I think connection got bad. They will rejoin.
एक कॉल कीजिए मुकेश जी।
And pave the way for the great statesman he was to become. Sir Anirudh Jagannath has spearheaded the most important stages of the modernization of the Mauritian economy. His first premiership saw the development of infrastructures and administrative reforms, which quickly led to job creation and economic growth despite the adverse prevailing conditions. In order to do so, he personally toured several countries seeking investors and foreign skills, thereby laying the foundation for the industrialization of the country. This tour de force led him to be recognized as the father of the Mauritian economic miracle. His constant strength of character, hard work, and sense of equity has left a firm imprint in most aspects of public life and national policies, such as funding education and extending social protection to all. He introduced a social housing scheme to assist the underprivileged who are left without a roof following natural calamities. He had the welfare of his people at heart and ensuring that each and everyone had their roti, kapra, or makan, and this remained his top priority throughout. Padma Vibhushan Sir Anirudh Jagannath, whose grandfather had migrated from the Indian state of Bihar, has been the primary architect of the special relationship which now binds our two countries, which now exists between Mauritius and India. He always had confidence in India as the special friend of Mauritius. And his years in office saw increasing cooperation with substantial Indian assistance to many sectors, including infrastructure, health, transportation, and national security. He will be remembered by his people for having given the opportunity to the less privileged to pursue further higher education through the setting up of a bilateral agreement in the educational field with India. Many of these scholars now occupy some of the highest posts in Mauritius, and some have also shined in the political arena. As a proud Pravasi Bharatiya, he devoted his life towards building people-to-people ties through the promotion of a better understanding of Indian cultural and societal values. Relations between Sir Anirudh Jagannath and Indian leaders have always been unique and outstanding. I still remember that as soon as he assumed his function for the first time as Prime Minister in 1990, invited Srimati Indira Gandhi to pay an official visit to Mauritius. I was then the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, and I had the honor and privilege to welcome Srimati Indira Gandhi then and invited her to address the House. I also recall the state of Sir Anirudh Jagannath, the state visit Sir Anirudh Jagannath paid to India in January 2001, during which he was host of highest personalities in New Delhi. It was his first bilateral visit to a foreign country after assuming office again as Prime Minister in September 2000. In fact, this official visit, during which he toured several infotech companies in Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad, was a turning point in the development of the strategic relationship which exists today between our two countries in the information technology sector. Sir Anirudh Jagannath's vision allowed Mauritius to keep the pace of modernization by setting up the cyber city in Eben, thus embarking the innovative information and communication technology as a new pillar of the economy. Sir Anirudh Jagannath, when he assumed the post of Prime Minister again in 2014, developed a close working and personal relationship with Prime Minister Sri Modi. This special relationship was epitomized when Sri Modi ji attended the launch ceremony of the first phase of our light railway project in 2019 and inaugurated our new Supreme Court building in 2020. So, under his watch, our country never missed an opportunity to support India in various international forums, including India's legitimate claim for a permanent seat on the Security Council. Likewise, India has always supported Mauritius in its struggle with respect to the Chagos issue. India's tribute to Sir Anirudh Jagannath was epitomized by the decision of the Government of India to declare a day of mourning on the 5th of June 2021, while the Jagannath family and Mauritius were receiving countless messages of condolences from India and other parts of the world. The memory of Sir Anirudh Jagannath will ever be present with me as I attend to my duty as a representative of the people of Mauritius and as a government minister responsible for foreign affairs. He remains present through his inspiration and sense of service to the nation, which he imparted to those around him. For him, service to mankind meant service to God. It is a duty of all of us who have had the privilege of knowing Sir Anirudh Jagannath to continue the work he has started and build on his success for a still better Mauritius. We are also confident that the friendship between our two countries will continue to grow and advance on the path drawn by him. Before concluding, I wish to share with you the tribute I made to Saj, which I borrowed from Jawaharlal Nehru's eulogy to Mahatma Gandhi. And I quote, "He has gone, and all over the country, there is a feeling of desolation and forlornness. All of us sense that feeling, and I do not know when this will dissipate. And yet, together with that feeling, there is also a feeling of proud thankfulness that we owe to this mighty person," end of quote. And I will end up by saying, the Atma is neither born nor does it die, it ever remains. So will Sir Anirudh Jagannath. Om Shanti. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Honorable Alan Ganuji. Now we have a message from Mr. V. Muralidharan, Minister of State for External Affairs. He is a member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha, the upper house of Indian Parliament, and he was sworn in as Union Minister in May. And apart from that, he was appointed Government Deputy Chief in the Deputy Chief Whip in the Rajya Sabha.
वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ। क्या हो गया? एक बार फिर से प्ले किया जाए ये पहले से। वॉल्यूम नहीं आ रहा, उसको बोलो चेतन को, नहीं आ सुन नहीं दे रहा, कुछ नहीं आ रहा।
Wait. Finish?
कोई साउंड नहीं आ रहा है। तो मुकेश जी आगे इसको दोबारा जरा चेक करवा के, कोई
and
साउंड नहीं आ
distinguished
रहा
Padma Vibhushan. He made India proud. His contributions in forging the bilateral relations will never be forgotten. And distinguished the passing away of Sir Aniruddha Jagan is not only his contribution a loss for Mauritius, but also bilateral relations will never be forgotten. And distinguished the passing away of Sir Aniruddha Jagan is not only his contribution a loss for Mauritius, but also bilateral.
अभी आ रही थी, दोबारा चला दीजिए।
Loss for Mauritius, but also bilateral.
अभी आ रही थी, दोबारा चला दीजिए।
Loss for Mauritius. Namaskaram to all of you. But also bilateral. I join Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad for the Shraddhanjali Sabha of late Sri Aniruddha Jagan, as President and Prime Minister of Mauritius. The government and the people of India deeply condole the passing away of Sri Aniruddha Jagan, as President. We offer our deepest condolences. The government and the people of India Sir Aniruddha Jagannath was a visionary and a global leader. He was the architect of modern Mauritius and the Mauritian economic development. The commendable socio-economic development of Mauritius under his leadership will remain an inspiration. Sir Aniruddha Jagannath was also commendable a true Namaskaram to all of you. I join Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad for the Shraddhanjali Sabha of late Sri Aniruddha Jagannath. Namaskaram to all of you. Who served as President and Prime Minister of Mauritius. The government and people of India deeply condole the passing away of Sri Aniruddha Jagannath, who served as President. We offer and Prime Minister deepest condolences. The government and the people of Mauritius deeply condoling this irreparable loss. Sri Aniruddha Jagan. Sir Aniruddha Jagan was a visionary and a global leader. The government and the people of India was the architect of modern Mauritius and the Mauritian economic development. Was the commendable and a socio-economic development of Mauritius under his leadership will remain an inspiration. Sir Aniruddha Jagannath was also commendable, a true and exemplary friend of India, who nurtured and shaped an extraordinary deep and special relation between India and Mauritius. As a gesture of respect to Sir Aniruddha Jagannath, a day of national mourning was declared on June 5, 2020, as the very first Mauritius Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Awardee and a distinguished Padma Vibhushan. He made India proud. His contributions in forging the very first bilateral relations will never be forgotten. The passing away of Sir Aniruddha Jagan is not only a loss for Mauritius, but also for India and the world. I pray for the well-being of the family and the people of Mauritius at this loss. Long live India, Mauritius, a loss for Mauritius, but also for
I don't know what. Now we have with us Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar ji, Union Minister of State, Independent Charge, Minister of Labor and Employment, Government of India. A very senior politician. I think he's the senior most in the current parliament. He's from Bareilly and he's representing Bareilly for the 8th time. Santosh ji, please.
धन्यवाद मुकेश जी। मैं आभारी हूँ विश्व के एक ऐसे महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति के शोक संवेदना में शामिल होने के लिए आपने मुझको याद किया। सर अनिरुद्ध जगन्नाथ विश्व के लोकतंत्रीय राजनीतिक इतिहास में अपना एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखते हैं और मार्च 2020 में लॉकडाउन के समय में, उस समय उनके दिल्ली प्रवास के समय एक रात्रि भोज में उनके साथ मेरा मिलना हुआ था और एक विस्तार के साथ उनसे बातचीत हुई थी। तो मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूं कि मेरी पहली मुलाकात सर अनिरुद्ध जगन्नाथ जी से जब प्रवासी भवन का उद्घाटन था 2009 में, तब उनसे मेरा मिलना हुआ और मैंने महसूस करा इतने वरिष्ठ राजनेता होने के बाद भी उनका सरल स्वभाव, बहुत ही मृदुभाषी और मिलनसार व्यक्तित्व के धनी थे। इसके बाद 2015 में स्वर्गीय बालेश्वर अग्रवाल जी स्मृति व्याख्यान माला में उनके साथ मुझे मंच पर बैठने का अवसर मिला और मैंने वास्तव में उनकी सदायास्ता और इस बात को महसूस करा कि कितने एक सिंपल और मिलनसार व्यक्ति के रूप में वो काम कर रहे थे। तो निश्चित रूप से मैंने महसूस किया कि हमारे विश्व समुदाय को ऐसे ही नेतृत्व की आवश्यकता है। तो मैं वास्तव में उनकी जो बातें मैंने सुनी और पढ़ी, मैं इतना महसूस करता हूं कि सार्वजनिक जीवन में जो लोग काम करते हैं उन्हें इस बात को सीखना और समझना चाहिए। और इतनी आयु होने के बाद भी जिस प्रकार का उनका आचरण व्यवहार था वो हम सबकी समझ में आता है। तो मैं आज उनके इस अवसर पर उनको अपनी ओर से, अपने देश की ओर से बहुत बहुत शोक श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहता हूं। और वास्तव में लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था में जो उनका योगदान रहा है, हम सब उसको याद रखेंगे। मेरा बहुत बहुत उनके प्रति धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद संतोष जी। Santosh ji was referring dinner. I think it was last year on 5th of March 2020, just before lockdown. It was a surprise visit by, I think Sir Anirudh Jagannath ji was in Delhi for 2 days, and we had a close dinner of among friends. And that happened to be, I think, his last overseas visit and last dinner invited of that. We never thought that we are not going to meet him again. And we celebrated his 90th birthday also on that day, and we have cut the cake. So, you know, memories will ever last forever. Anyhow, thank you, Santosh ji. Now I will request Excellency Santibai Hanuman ji, more famously known as Maya ji, a very senior politician. She started her career as a civil servant, and after retirement from the highest post of permanent secretary, she joined politics. In the outgoing government, she was the speaker, very vocal, very commanding, very authoritative. My personal relation with her is also, so welcome Maya ji.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Okay. Honorable Alan Ganu, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Regional Integration and International Trade. Honorable Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar, Minister of State for Labor and Employment. His Excellency Ambassador Virendra Gupta, President, Antarrashtriya Parishad, Sahyog Parishad, sorry. His Excellency Ambassador Anup Mudgal, Sri Premchand Guchawan ji, President Human Service Trust, Mauritius, Srimati Lakshmi Ramdan Bandan, President of Hindu House, Mauritius, Sri Mukesh Agarwal ji, all the high officials from Mauritius, Bhaiyon aur Behnon. Excuse me, my apologies if I have missed any important personality present here today. Namaskar. हम ARSP की बहुत आभारी हैं और खास करके श्री मुकेश अग्रवाल जी का, जिन्होंने अनिरुद्ध जगन्नाथ की श्रद्धांजलि का कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया है। ये दर्शाता है कि आपके मन में अनिरुद्ध जगन्नाथ के लिए कितना प्यार और इज्जत है, और ये भी कि मॉरिशस और भारत का अटूट रिश्ता है। Anirudh Jagannath, somebody I have had the privilege of knowing personally since my childhood, and who has been a source of inspiration for me throughout my life. मैंने उनके साथ सरकारी नौकरी की है। वो मेरे राजनीतिक नेता भी थे। मैंने उनके अनुशासन, सत्यनिष्ठा और न्याय की भावना को बिना किसी पक्षपात के देखा है। अनिरुद्ध जगन्नाथ एक बहुत ही साधारण और विनीत व्यक्ति थे। मैंने उनको एक प्रतिष्ठित वकील से एक काबिल नेता बनते देखा है। Anirudh Jagannath has transformed Mauritius since he became Prime Minister in 1982. The disparities between towns and villages have disappeared. Mauritius has known industrialization, the improvement of road infrastructures, provision of water and electricity to all households throughout the country, the emergence of the cyber city, development of the port and airport. He changed the lives of people, bringing them comfort in all spheres, education and health to their doorsteps, and raising their standards of living. Anirudh Jagannath will be long remembered as one of the architects of modern Mauritius and one of the most refined political stalwarts of his generation. He leaves behind him an unparalleled legacy. In spite of his busy schedule, he always found time for his family members, spent quality time with his wife Sarojini, his son Praveen, who is now the Prime Minister, his daughter Shalini, and his grandchildren. In a tribute held in Parliament soon after his demise, the Prime Minister, his son, stated, and I quote, "Lady Sarojini has lost a pillar, and I have lost a loving father who was my source of inspiration," unquote. He was a great friend of India and developed very close relationship with previous prime ministers and presidents of India, and recently the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and President Ramnath Kovind, who both visited Mauritius. आप में से बहुत लोगों को याद होगा, and Sri Mukesh Agarwal ji just mentioning, कि जब भी वो इंडिया ऑफिशियल या प्राइवेट विजिट में आते थे, तो जो भी उनको आमंत्रित करते थे, वो उसको हमेशा स्वीकार करते थे। श्री मुकेश अग्रवाल जी, आपको याद होगा कि पिछले साल फरवरी में परिषद उनको और उनकी पत्नी लेडी सरोजिनी के साथ रात्रि भोजन में बुलाया था। अनिरुद्ध की कहने पे श्री संजीव कपूर मुंबई से दिल्ली विशेष रूप से रात्रि भोजन के लिए आए थे, और ये उसका आखिरी विजिट था इंडिया में। We will all sadly miss him, gone from our sight, but never from our hearts. उनकी आत्मा को सद्गति प्राप्त हो। बहुत धन्यवाद और नमस्कार।
Thank you, Excellency. Now we have a recorded message because at the last moment, I think Munshiji had to leave for Prime Minister's emergency meeting. Now we have a recorded message because at the last moment, I think Munshiji had to leave for Prime Minister's emergency meeting.
ह्यूमन सर्विस ट्रस्ट की ओर
Now
से
we have a recorded message
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय
because
सहयोग
at the last
परिषद के
moment, I
सभी
think Munshiji had
कार्यकर्तागण
to
को
leave for
हमारा प्रणाम।
Prime Minister's
Recording in progress.
Our next speaker is Mr. Hemendra Kumar Deepchand. He is Secretary General of Hindu House. Hindu House is one of the pillars of Hindu society there, and its founder, President late Shri Virendra Ramdan was very close to ARSP, and one of the very close persons to Sir Anirudh Jagannath also. So, Hemendra ji, the floor is yours, please. Are you there, Hemendra ji? Hemendra ji. So I invite Medha Ganpat ji. Medha ji.
Yes. Hello, Mukesh ji, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I can hear you. Medha Ganpat ji is a very senior civil servant in service. He is senior executive officer, and I think he had been with Sir Anirudh Jagannath for almost 2 decades, 19 years, if to be precise. So he is the closest person who knows many aspects of Sir Anirudh Jagannath. I would like him to share with us. Medha ji.
I start with a pranam to all people present on this meeting. Excellencies, dear friends and colleagues, with due respect to all protocol observed, I'm happy to be here to join you and say a few words. What I'll say, I mean, like father to me. Sir Anirudh was like a father to me, having spent almost, I must say, between 15 to 20 years, 15 directly and 5 years indirectly, I must say. I have learned a lot. He was a university to me, a father to me. His humble style was only to take. He was so down to earth that I always remember friends from India saying that they could not accept that he was able to receive each and everyone at home. And when they were at home, it was the first lady who was serving tea or water. This was a great respect for coming from him. He was down to us, I must say. He has been a source of inspiration to me and has modeled my life. And the way he took decisions instantly, I must say, gone on in that direction. And if I am here today, it's all due to his blessings. I still remember the last thing that Mr. Mukesh did, the last, it was the birth centenary celebration of late Chaman Lal ji. And he was, hello, can you hear me?
We can hear you, yes, your voice is clear.
Okay. You remember, he was conferred the first Chaman Lal International Award. And with that came a cash prize of 500,000 rupees. It was so kind of him when I told him that you are creating a foundation in the name of late Chaman Lal ji. And he pleasurably accepted to donate that amount to the proposed foundation. See, he's magnanimous. Yeah, see his magnanimity. He never refused requests from our Indian brothers and sisters, NGOs mostly, to visit them in India, in different corners. I must say I'm happy to have traveled with him and known so many people from east to west, from north to south of India. And we have been great. I mean, his contribution in consolidating the bond between Mauritius and India has played a major role, I must say. I still remember the word he was saying, Bhaichara, Khun, Karishta. These were the strong words he would say, he would use in his messages, all through his missions, visits in India. And he was greatly applauded. Many of you would be witness to that. And what to say about Lady? She has been the strong woman all along, sir. She was always by his side. And I mean, the amount that we have gathered and I must say roam together in India and build that relationship. Today we are here only to maintain that. Mr. Mukesh, you are a great people, among others, to maintain that relationship. The fact that you have taken the initiative to organize this celebration of the life of Sir Anirudh, I must say respect to you. Another good friend of ours, Mr. Pannu, Pritpal Singh Pannu, he organized a Shraddhanjali just last week on Zoom meeting. Many people took part into that. I must say thank you to him also. I don't know whether he's along with us, but many friends from Mauritius also are witness to that. I know many of you are following, but I must say thank you again. I must say again, simple things like being down to earth when meeting with people was a quality that you rarely see in a prime minister, in a president. This is where we must learn from him and keep this alive. Keeping all our egos apart, building friendship, building relationship, bhaichara, as I said earlier. This is what we should do. Because with this COVID these days, we have seen people are locked down, each one in his corner, if not in his house, locked down. Only through platforms we are meeting. Mr. Mukesh, you have been in Mauritius so many times. I have been in India so many times. We are willing to travel, but we are unable. This is where I say we should, maintain what Sir Anirudh has done. He has built a bridge between India and Mauritius in his capacity as a stalwart, a statesman, which will be difficult to find again, I must say, not so soon. But for me, it has been like a great experience working with him, working with Lady, and now his son, the current Prime Minister, Honorable Praveen Jagannath. I must say I am blessed. With these words, I don't know whether I am closing the meeting or there are other interveners, but I must say a great thank you to all the participants. I am blessed. Thank you. Take care. Pranam.
Thank you, Medaji. ARSP has passed some resolutions. I will request our Secretary General, Shyam Parandeji, to share with the excellencies and the dignitaries. Shyamji.
Namaskar, pranam to everybody. But before I move in, I would request, I'll take liberty to request Ambassador Anoopji Mudgal, who was in Mauritius for a couple of years as High Commissioner of Bharat in Mauritius, and he was closely associated with everybody over there. Anoopji, a couple of minutes and I move in.
Thank you so much, Shyamji. In fact, I was supposed to be in the listening brigade. I really thank you for giving me this opportunity to share this platform with a galaxy of dignitaries, both from India and Mauritius, to pay tributes to an extraordinary personality, a towering figure amongst the people of Indian origin, leaders of Indian origin. Shyamji, for me, Mauritius was in a way extraordinary and a surprise. As a traditional diplomat, I never thought that there could be a relationship like this. And my relationship with Sir Anirudh Jagannath was, I'm not really able to define that in few words. Was it a relationship between an ambassador and a prime minister? Was it a relationship between two great friends? Was it a relationship between a guru and a chela? So it was a multifaceted relationship. I would have spent easily several hundred hours with him, listening to him, talking to him on a variety of subjects. It was fascinating listening to him. Because he was the witness to the history of Mauritius. He was a witness to the history of India-Mauritius relationship. He would tell me the story of Mauritian struggle and success. He will tell me the story of his love for India. He will tell me the story of his building bridges between Mauritius and India. An extraordinary person, as Mr. Ganpat mentioned, a very humble person, in fact. I was a neighbor. We used to live very close to each other. And most of the time I sought a meeting with him, he will call me to his residence. And surprisingly, when I arrived there, he would himself open the door with a big smile on his face. And then we will discuss everything under the sun. There were no restrictions in terms of discussion between an Indian High Commissioner and Sir Anirudh Jagannath. Other quality I found in him was that he was a man of few words, right? But the words you could trust. Once he said something, you could trust it till the end. And then, of course, he was the great builder of modern Mauritius. And we would have been in several formal functions talking about the economic miracle of modern Mauritius, of which he was the key builder. And believe me, Sir Anirudh Jagannath would never talk about his contribution. He will talk about contribution of others. He was a big-hearted person. And whenever I met him, he reminded me of a very famous saying by Rahim, which says, "Bade badai kab kare, bade na bole bol, Rahiman hira kab kahe, lakh taka mera mol." So he was like a diamond who will never tell his own value using his own platform. But I think we need to remember the diamond, his contribution and his value. I know the time is, we have already overrun the time. I will not go further. If I have to say all my experiences, I'll have to write a book. And I'm sure today is not the time for doing that. When I heard the news of his passing away, I was deeply shattered. It was almost midnight India time when I got the message, and I thought I had lost somebody very close to my heart, very close to me, in fact, a dignitary of that level whom I could count as my own. I think that is a tribute I want to pay to Sir Anirudh Jagannath. He would always be remembered, a tall Mauritian leader and a very tall leader amongst the people of Indian origin. His contribution to Mauritius, I salute. He brought Mauritius from literally a monocrop-based economy to a modern economy, a high-income, middle-income economy, and a star in the Indian Ocean. You know, Mauritius holds the key to the Indian Ocean region, and Mauritius is the star. And who made Mauritius star? If we start counting people, I'm sure amongst the very few names, Sir Anirudh Jagannath would emerge amongst the top. With these words, I once again pay my tributes to him. I would remember him in many ways, as I mentioned, and I'm sure we all at ARSP would remember him for what he was. With these words, I thank you very much once again, Shyamji, for giving me this opportunity to say a few words in the loving memory of my dear SAJ, as we used to call him. Thank you very much.
Shyamji, I would like to acknowledge few names. We have Suresh Rambaranji with us, who had been advisor to Sash in the past, close person. We have Vijay Kunjuji. His brother Prem Kunju was very close to ARSP and former Minister of Government of Mauritius also. Then we have Sam Oklu, an old friend. He was with Sanatandram Temple Federation. We welcome everyone and we are thankful that they have joined us from Mauritius. Now, Shyamji, please share resolutions.
Pranam to everybody. Sir Anirudhji Jagannath and my predecessor, Manya Shri Baleshwarji, were very close friends, and this relationship prospered till, I think, Baleshwarji was alive. Rightly, as mentioned in the beginning by our President, Ambassador Ravindra Gupta ji, Pravasi Bhavan was inaugurated by Sir Anirudhji Jagannath in 2009. He being one of the tallest leaders amongst the diaspora. Keeping that in mind and his relationship with Baleshwarji in mind, ARSP has decided to pursue, in memory of late SAJ, that will strive and request the Government of India to issue and publish a photo stamp, a stamp in memory of Sir SAJ that will help better relationship between the two countries, Bharat and Laghu Bharat. And together with that, we would like to request the New Delhi Municipal Corporation to name one of the streets in the memory of SAJ, Sir Anirudh Jagannath ji, that the coming generations would remember the way these two countries are together and the people who work together for building this relationship. तो इस तरह से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सहयोग परिषद यह प्रयास करेगा और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि दोनों भी हम कर पाएंगे। शीघ्र ही एक स्टैम्प भारत सरकार की ओर से और दिल्ली में एक रास्ते का नाम एसएजे के नाम से नामांकित किया जाए, ऐसा प्रयास करेंगे। I would like to thank all the dignitaries, including Honorable Minister for Foreign Affairs, Sri Alan Danuji, Honorable Minister for Labor, Government of India, Santosh Ji Gangwar, जो हमारे मेंबर भी है, Honorable Minister Shri V. Muralidharan ji, who sent his message, recorded message, because he's right now traveling from Hyderabad to Trivandrum. He's in the flight, so he could not attend, but he sent the message and we thank him also. I also thank Shri Excellency Mayaji Hanuman, who had been close to ARSP, and of course, as she expressed her relationship to ARSP and Mukesh ji, Shri Premji Bujhavan, who had sent the message, Shri Medhaji Ganpat, who of course had been a close friend through SAJ, and many times we could meet. I will like to recall our last meeting with SAJ in 2018 in Mauritius itself, when we visited Mauritius for a diaspora related conference. We met SAJ as well as Medha Ganpatji. And I thank all the dignitaries who are present here. SAJ have been so close to our hearts, भारत में भी और मॉरिशस में भी. तो मॉरिशस का यह दुख, the grief that is being experienced in Mauritius is being shared equally by people in Bharat. और इसीलिए हम सब के लिए यह बड़ा एक loss है. It's one of the biggest loss to India and Mauritius relationship, and we all feel bereaved at this juncture. हम अपने ओर से, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सहयोग परिषद की ओर से और भारतीय प्रजा की ओर से हम उनकी स्मृति में श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं, और वैसे ही उनके परिवार को, लेडी सरोजिनी जी को, उनके सुपुत्र ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर प्रवीण जगन्नाथ जी को और सारे परिवार को के साथ हम यह दुख, यह ग्रीफ शेयर करते हैं. इसी के साथ मैं आप सभी को धन्यवाद अर्पण करता हूं. हमारे अध्यक्ष और वैसे ही हमारे डायस्पोरा रिसर्च सेंटर के अध्यक्ष वीरेंद्र गुप्ता जी और अनूप मुदगल जी को भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं. आप सभी को धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, प्रणाम. वो क्लिप हम फिर से डिस्प्ले करने की प्रयास करेंगे, धन्यवाद देता हूं, किंतु उसमें थोड़ा सा नमस्कार टेक्नोलॉजी की समस्या है ऐसा लग रहा है. फिर ट्राई करेंगे, प्ले करने की प्रयास करेंगे, धन्यवाद देता हूं, किंतु उसमें थोड़ा सा नमस्कार टेक्नोलॉजी की समस्या है ऐसा लग रहा है. फिर ट्राई करेंगे.
नमस्कार.
I think अगर हम स्क्रीन बंद कर रहे तो we can see that video again.
वो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करो पहले.
I think अगर हम स्क्रीन बंद कर रहे तो we can see that video again.
वो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करो पहले.
I think अगर हम स्क्रीन बंद कर रहे तो we can see that video again.
वो रिकॉर्डिंग it has to be cleansed. It has to be cleansed and replayed. आप सबके साथ शेयर
I
करेंगे.
am the only one still alive among those who participated in the Mauritius Constitutional Conference at Lancaster House in 1965. The talks on the ultimate status of Mauritius were held. Mr. President, members of the court, after achieving independence, and as soon as